cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1113 filters into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Reinstall the dampening cord. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the two securing tabs behind the frame. Close the glove box.